What caused the crash of the crypto exchange? Why did people lose billions and who made a huge fortune on this? When can we expect a cryptocurrency recovery? How to earn big money today? And can Bloody Monday be repeated in the future? You are on the Triple T Trader channel. Let's figure it out. It is incredible, but the cause of the disaster which wiped out the savings of many investors are still unknown. It is all started with the May Madness, when Luna literally turned into ashes. Many owners panicked and began to get rid of this coin.
In a thirst to earn more, many bought the chip and also lost all invested funds. And as a result, the cryptocurrency, which was in the top 10 by capitalization, simply disappeared.
But before you understand why such a catastrophic fall of Luna happened, you should understand what Luna is.
Luna is a Terra blockchain token developed in South Korea. Terra is a kind of foundation for creating stablecoins. If, for example, the USDT stablecoin is backed up by real money, then for Terra USD, the backing is the Luna token.
It is believed that the cause of the disaster was the initial sell-off of the cryptocurrency markets due to the fall of the stock markets at the end of last year.
There was a massive outflow of USD deposits and their sale on the stock exchange. And as a result, USD lost its peg to the US dollar, and a huge number of Luna coins were burned to stabilize the rate, which is why the rate began to fall.
At the beginning of May, there were about 400 million coins. Now there are more than 6.9 trillion. With the depreciation, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of company loans were allocated, but this did not save them. According to the other, more popular version, all this was a speculative game of whales who bet UST and Luna on the fall, thus earning incredible money. But this was not the only shock in the crypto world. On June 13, the day that has already been called Bloody Monday, there was the largest collapse in the history of most coins. Binance has been forced to suspend Bitcoin withdrawals. Bitcoin has fallen over 60% since its November highs. There is a global outflow of funds from the entire crypto market. This is all the more surprising that this catastrophe was predicted last year.
It must be understood that all financial markets are interconnected. At the end of last year, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell began to perceive inflation in the United States as a real problem, and he signaled the coming tightening of monetary policy and, as a result, the growth of interest rates in big steps.
Inflation in the United States of America is breaking records for the past 40 years since the war in Afghanistan. After the change in policy, the Fed began to fully unfold every risky asset, including the stock and crypto markets. Investors prefer to invest in risk-free assets such as bonds. Now, investing long-term in the growth of the crypto market is even more risky than usual.
Strange as it may seem, but today is the most ideal time for ordinary people without big investments to earn real money. The main thing is to know how to do it.
It is simple, a short selling. Unfortunately, on the leading crypto exchanges, short trading has a number of new restrictions. The platforms themselves now charge additional interest. Someone even bans such transactions.
In binary options, you can bet short much easier, without additional interest and without having a large number of funds, which is sometimes necessary to start working on crypto exchanges.
I can safely recommend the IQ option platform, which I myself have been working on for a long time. Look how much I was able to earn only in May. IQ option is a reliable and proven platform with an intuitive design, multiple analysis tools, indicators, assets, and up to 90% profit. Simple registration in a couple of clicks, deposits and withdrawals with a minimum commission, and one of the best mobile applications among trading platforms already waiting for you. And most importantly, you can start trading with just $10 deposit, join the team of successful traders through the link in the description and get a revoking demo account for as much as $10,000. Immerse yourself in the world of trading and experience genuine emotions from your victories.
The thing is that the current craziness in the market is the perfect moment for anyone who knows how to work with binary options. By the way, we teach this in our videos, so subscribe to the channel. The main question that bothers many is, when will the crypto market start to grow? But there is a risk that never again.
In recent years, developed countries have begun to express their intention to introduce their own digital analogs of national currencies. So increased regulations or even complete ban on cryptocurrencies is becoming more and more real.
China has already banned cryptocurrencies and created a digital yuan. The United States of America and many European countries want to follow the same example. Do not forget about the main problems of the exchanges: difficult withdrawal, technical failures, or just theft.
Most recently, hackers stole more than $500 million from users of the game Axie Infinity. And speaking of the crypto exchanges, I know that billions of dollars worth of funds are stolen there.
Cryptocurrency mining in China is responsible for the emission of more than half of the waste from all coal-fired thermal power plants in the country. This is a colossal damage to the planet.
The fall of cryptocurrencies reduces the activity of mining, which has a good effect on the environment. And this is an important trend in recent times which should not be forgotten.
Now buying cryptocurrency is even more risky than before. But whatever happens, cryptocurrency, despite all the complexity, will grow, and sooner or later will reach its previous indicators. But when this happens, not a single expert undertakes to predict. Therefore, if you want to make money on it, make short and quick deals. You were on the Triple T Trader channel. Do not forget to like and write in the comments what you want to know about in the next videos. Good luck!